guys are inside, just make sure you don't touch the birds because they can bite.
They do? Oh God, Mark. Okay. Mark and Dad are going with the crikey. Mark. Mark has some.
Hello?
Mark has $2 worth of juice.
Hello?
Oh, here.
There you go, little fella. Oh, there you go. Come on, girl.
Mark might bite you. Okay, tell him to go. I don't know. Oh God. Good. Okay. We are. Woo! Mark is being what the hell was that? Okay, leave the nectar, someone.
Hey, Dad,
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Hey, check this out! I'm good at this.
You're being attacked by birds. Ooh.
Oh,
Okay.
Hey, you, somebody.
Oh. Just to give you a relative idea what this thing is, we're actually being attacked by birds. You pay like $2 and then you get into this place and then you get charged by birds. Okay. One more shot. Mark being, yeah, okay, no more.